What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we are back here in the garage and we have a nice vehicle to work on today. I'll show you what we have. It is a brand new Bronco. Awesome color. I love this green color, but I'll show you what we have to do on this thing. So nothing major, but we got a couple little sharp dents in this back door. I think the customer said that he was driving and drove past someone that was mowing the lawn, and I guess it kicked up a stone or something like that. So shouldn't be a problem. We should be able to take care of this for him. What we're probably going to do access wise is just go in through the electrical outlet on the back side of the door and touch it with some tools. And again, I don't think this one's going to be any surprise. It's probably going to be a short video, but it's a nice looking car. I figured why not do a video and take you along with us. So let's get started and see how this thing turns out. All right, we are all finished up. Like I said, short little video, I know, but it wasn't that bad at all. It was an aluminum panel, so we did heat it up a little bit just to make sure the paint didn't crack. Probably didn't have to do that. I just wanted to make sure, you know, if you just took it slow, I'm sure it would have worked out fine. That bigger one was a little deep, so again, I just put some heat on it just to make sure that paint was pliable while we worked it. I'll show you the results. You can see it came out perfect. No issues whatsoever. And as I mentioned, we just went right in through this electrical outlet right down in there, and we had plenty of access. So it came out really good. I think the customer is going to be really happy with that. You know, it's a nice vehicle. Just getting a dent like that from a rock or whatever the lawnmower did, that could be really annoying. So I'm glad we helped him out with it. Hopefully you guys liked the video. I know it's a short one, but figured I'd share this with you. If you can, like, subscribe to the channel. We'll do more videos and we'll catch you on the next one.